Alrighty guys, I wonder where we are. This is the brand new Menards store here in Richmond, Kentucky. It has the new chimes. Oh, it smells so good. Series 4. Cool. Newer Series 4. Let's go down to 1. Fresh new store. Opened about a month ago. As I'm filming this, this is May 3rd, 24. It is nice and bright in here, that's surprising.
Bro, you got fucking rap like. Oh, sorry, sir.
Here's the machine room over there.
You need help?
I got it, thank you.
Huh?
There's a lantern there. Otis. New Series 4. Damn, actually, this is actually really nice. Listen to this. Nice. Very clean cabin. There goes the elevator. This is actually a pretty nice store. Pretty nice. So anyway, I guess that is going to be it for me.